I fell onto a rock. This is not a rock. Look, Kiki. This dinosaur has 3 horns on its head. Let's check out its name.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet, activate!
Strong armor on its body. 3 horns on its head. Strong hind legs. Strong forelimbs. Triceratops. Triceratops existed during the Cretaceous period. It is a large, herbivorous dinosaur.
Got it. That's why it's called Triceratops. You are right, Quacky. Impressive. Triceratops is a large, herbivorous dinosaur. It could weigh 8 tons. 8 tons. I don't know anyone weighs 8 tons. Is it heavy? Do you know what is as heavy as an 8-ton Triceratops? A. 2 ducks. B. 2 adults. C. 2 elephants. That's not correct. That's right! You are right! Let's check out how much it weighs. These are 2 ducks. These are 2 people. These are 2 elephants. Look, Triceratops is as heavy as 2 elephants. Triceratops is so heavy. Triceratops is very strong. It can knock off other dinosaurs. Let's check it out. Oh no! The bad dinosaurs are harassing the baby Triceratops. Place mommy Triceratops around the babies to protect them. Triceratops is a social animal. The mommy Triceratops can protect babies by forming a barrier around them. Let's beat the bad dinosaurs. Triceratops can fend away other dinosaurs with its extremely sharp horns. Keep going. Let's chase the remaining bad dinosaurs away. Triceratops has beaten the bad dinosaurs. Quacky, what have you learned in this section? Oh, Triceratops is heavy. It has 3 horns on its head, and Triceratops fights off its enemies with the horns. You're right. Let's go on. Let's fix the dinosaur model.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's connect to see what we can draw. Triceratops. Let's check out the body parts of the Triceratops. Head. Body. Limbs. Triceratops. Let's check out what the differences between these 2 pictures are. Triceratops has a thick armor on its back. Triceratops has 3 horns on its head. Triceratops has strong limbs.